Alright, so today I'm going to be changing out the grill on the Colorado pickup. So the reason I'm changing this is because it actually has a bunch of broken plastic clips that hold together this portion right here and this portion. You can already tell there's a zip tie right there. There's zip ties all over this thing. So I found the part for $82. I got a 20% discount, so it came out to like $68 or 70 bucks basically. So here's the new part, and I'm gonna be opening it up and unveiling it to you guys. So here's the new part, and I guess I could paint this if I wanted to, but honestly I'm just gonna leave it black. All right, so here is the grill itself, and I'm gonna have to swap out parts from the original one and put them on here, because as you can tell the emblem is not on there, so I'm gonna have to swap those parts. I was about to say that these don't come with the clips, but interestingly enough, here is a packet of clips and accessories and those plastic bits, I guess. That is really awesome. Excited about that. Alright, first thing we're gonna want to do is untwist and take out all of the bolts on both sides. So do that. Take this whole clip out to make sure it hooks out of the way, basically, so that you're just left with this, and same thing with the other side. All right, from here, basically all you want to do is just pull it toward you pretty hard. So just like that on this side, and we do the same thing on this side. You can tell the clips that it has there, 2 on that side, and then 2 on this side right here. Then there's going to be 3 more clips that are down here, so that one's already removed. That one's removed, and then this one's still stuck in there, as you can tell, so just pull it out. The next step is to get this trim piece off right here, which is going to go on the new piece. So the bolts actually look like this. So every time you see one of these, just take it out, and looks like I got 4 more. So I've taken these 2 out already, as you can tell. Alright, so I think in the future I do want to buy this trim piece and then also the emblem, because the emblem is pretty damaged already. So, but what I'm going to do is basically put everything back together. Alright, so before I put the trim piece back on, I actually cleaned it. I disinfected it, because it's the only thing that I had around here. So yeah, this is how that turned out, and now it's pretty clean. What I was thinking of doing is so this trim part, then the emblem, so there's nothing wrong with those parts. So what I was thinking is I might actually spray paint them. So probably just gonna sand them down and get them prepped, and then use that black OEM spray paint that I used for my rims. So it's all blacked out and it all looks good and uniform, because right now it might not look the prettiest, but you know, I think with some work we can bring this back to life. And yeah, just make sure all these clips are on there. You got 3 of them down here, you got 2 on that side, 2 on this side, and then those plastic rivet pieces basically just squeeze in just like that. And yeah, we're gonna put this bad boy on there. So now that this part is new, I want to make sure I am super careful. So I didn't have any of these plastic rivets before, but now I'm gonna actually have to be really careful here. So what I'm thinking is, while I push these in, these also have to line in at the same time. So let's see how I'll do this. Alright, so good news is I got this back on there and everything exceeded my expectations. The bad news is one of these plastic clips broke actually. This is the culprit right here. So I had actually, the way I put this on was incorrect. So I think what I did first is I put in these tabs first, and then I tried putting the metal rivets which was not a good idea. So the metal clips first, and then this will be the afterthought basically. But make sure they are going inside the hole as the metal clips are going in though, so you have a much easier time and you don't break anything like I did. What I'm gonna try to do is, I do want to try and find this piece, because what I can do is I can super glue it back together, but the problem is it fell inside of all this mess here, and now I have to figure out where it went. I did hear it rattling down in there. If not, I guess I'm gonna have to order a pack of these, or I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but that is the least of my worries though. I am really happy how this turned out. Make sure this piece right here is actually connected, so as you can tell, if it's loose, it can get caught up in here, and then you're gonna slam the hood on it and damage something. So, and yeah, I guess the next step is gonna be to remove this again so I can prep it for paint. And this probably won't stay yellow. If I can find a color like that bronze shiny gold and a spray paint, I will try to match that, because I like how that looks. And that's pretty much the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date when I release videos. And yeah, that's about it. Appreciate you for watching. Feel free to check out my SoundCloud, which is in the description below. And that'll be it. I will see you guys in the next video.